Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Danaher Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in Danaher Workday and click on enter. Now scroll down until you find this link, which is of myworkdayjobs.com, and click on it. Now at the top right corner you will find sign in option. Click on it. After that, type in your email address and password. Now click on sign in button to log into your Danaher Workday account. You can also click on this link to create new Danaher Workday account, and if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to get a new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.